As the Mahakumbh approaches, the Yogi government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure an unforgettable experience for the millions of devotees expected to gather in Prayagraj. In a unique initiative aimed at enchanting both pilgrims and tourists alike, the entire city will be adorned with the fragrance of flowers, creating an atmosphere of warmth and hospitality. This is the first time that such extensive floral arrangements are being planned, underscoring the government's commitment to making Mahakumbh not just a spiritual journey but also a visual delight. On the directive of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, particular emphasis is being placed on cleanliness and beautification for this year's festivities. A significant budget of over 7 crore rupees has been allocated for landscaping and horticulture, with plans to plant seasonal flowers in 26,225 pots across the city. Flower beds will be created en masse, showcasing stunning floral exhibits that will capture the attention of all who visit. The initiative is already underway, with specially selected decorative plants being planted along the banks of the Ganges, setting the stage for a picturesque fair area. To further enhance the experience, orders for flowers and ornamental plants have been placed with nurseries in Ayodhya and Kashi, thus extending the fragrant allure of this ancient tradition across the region. The flowers are not only destined for the fair but will also beautify significant locations throughout Prayagraj, including parks, intersections, and even the local airport and high court. Efforts are being made to ensure that every street in Prayagraj feels the impact of this floral extravaganza, creating an inviting atmosphere for both domestic and international visitors. Among the various blooms and plants featured this year are a diverse array of flowers, including roses, dahlias, marigolds, and juhi, each chosen for their vibrant colors and enchanting scents. Additionally, ornamental plants such as erica palm, peace lily, and Dhan Lakshmi will further enhance the aesthetic appeal of the city. Through these thoughtful preparations, the Mahakumbh promises to be a feast for the senses, enveloping visitors in a harmonious blend of spirituality and beauty.